Hello viewers, I hope you are all well. Welcome to my channel Study for Competitive. I am Shankar and in this video I will discuss the important current affairs of Tripura of December month. Earlier I have already uploaded current affairs of Tripura from January to November. If you don't watch those videos, you can watch those videos from the I button or from my YouTube channel playlist. And the name of the playlist is Current Affairs of Tripura. Before commencing this video, I want to request to all of you that if you don't subscribe my channel still now, please subscribe it and also press the bell icon. So, without wasting a little time, let's start. First, on the occasion of World AIDS Day, 1st December 2020, the Chief Minister of Tripura, Biplab Kumar Deb, said that the Tripura government set a target to make Tripura free from HIV/AIDS by 2030. Moreover, he urged people to join the all-out campaign against deadly disease. Next, the famous dance artist and dance guru of the state, Padmini Chakraborty, achieved Lifeline Award. The award was given by Surnandan Bharati in Kolkata. Next, the government-run fair price shop named Netaji PACS Primary Agriculture Credit Society, which is located at North Chorilam, became the first ration shop in Tripura fully run by women. Next, among the northeastern states of India, it is Tripura where online book fair was inaugurated on 2nd December. It was inaugurated by the artist Selina Hussain. The former Vice Chancellor of Dhaka University, Dr. A. Arifin Siddiqui, was present as special guest. Next, one continuous ambient air quality monitoring and online authorization registration certification under various waste management inaugurated by Deputy Chief Minister of Tripura, Jishnu Debbarma. Air quality monitoring system has been sanctioned by Central Pollution Control Board. Moreover, two digital display boards has been installed at the rooftop of Sukanta Academy and Radhanagar bus stand, Agartala. The new monitoring system displays air quality index below. The air quality data from Agartala Air Monitoring Station is also linked to the Central Pollution Control Board server. Next, on 4th December, Olympian Deepa Karmakar and along with her coach Vishweshwar Nandi walks in Fit India Run organized by Tripura Sports Council in Agartala. Next, new web portal of Mata Tripureshwari Trust for Tripureshwari Temple was inaugurated by the Chief Minister of Tripura, Biplab Kumar Deb. This web portal has been launched with a fund of Rs 88 crores sanctioned by Center for Development of the Infrastructure of the Temple. Through this web portal, now the devotees can have view of the presiding deity Mata Tripureshwari in the temple every day between 11:30 am in the morning and 1 p.m. in the afternoon. Moreover, devotees can also offer donation to the temple. Next, the Food for Future Award was given out to Porimal Das of Tripura for organic dragon fruit plantation in 8th edition of Balipara Foundation Awards under 4-day-long one-of-a-kind virtual edition of the 8th Eastern Himalayan Naturenomics Forum 2020. The 8th edition of Balipara Foundation Awards recognized the extraordinary visionaries of the Eastern Himalayas and their indomitable contribution who continue to live in harmony with nature and adopt sustainable methods for greening the economy. Next, to revive the economy of the state, 78.90 crore raised through special window in Tripura. Moreover, the Department of Expenditure under the Ministry of Finance on 13 October granted permission to Tripura in raising an additional amount of rupees 297 crore through open market borrowings. Next, the first Bollywood featured film named Noise of Silence has been released on 10 December. The film is based on NRC and it is directed by Seth Buddha. Next, on 28 November 2020, Tripura State Electricity Corporation Limited has got Silver Scotch Award for continuing its service during COVID-19 pandemic situation. Next, the state level art festival started at Shiksha Bhavan on 8 December with the initiative of entire education department. The festival was inaugurated by Saju Wahed, Director of Samagra Shiksha and Elementary Education, and Keshav Kaur, Joint Director, was present as the special guest. The festival continued till 11 December. Next, Dipanki Devnath from North Chorilam Tripura won the first prize in online dance competition held in Australia. The winner is selected by Road to Bollywood presentation. Next, Dr. Niranjan Das, Assistant Professor of Chemistry in Belonia Pandit Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar College, has got his research paper published in international renowned American journal titled Elsevier. He made research on anti-cancer potential of garlic and its bioactive constituents. His research article has been published along with that of Dr. Anupam Vaishya, Professor of Pharmacology in Lake Erie College of Osteopathic Medicine in Florida. And the joint article is titled as Anti-Cancer Potential of Garlic and its Bioactive Constituents, a Systematic and Comprehensive Review. Next, on 9 December, the central government has granted permission of reform-linked borrowing worth rupees 23,523 crore to Tripura and other states like Andhra Pradesh, Goa, Kerala, Haryana, Karnataka, Telangana, and Uttar Pradesh. The states who have successfully completed reforms in PDS public distribution system and implemented One Nation, One Ration system has got the permission of reform-linked borrowing. Department of Food and Public Distribution in the Ministry of Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution is the nodal department certified which state has met the conditions stipulated for this reform. Next, Onish Prasad, Senior Officer of Tripura Police, who is presently posted as DIG of Police Headquarters, recently won the third edition at the Great Delhi Run segment 5 km in 40 to 44 years age category at the Airtel Delhi Half Marathon 2020 event, which was held from 25 November to 29 November. DIG Onish achieved the podium, finished race with GPS of time 22 hours 51 minutes. This is the first time that any Tripura police officer has achieved top position of an international level learning event. Next, Sobri banana has been declared as the fruit of Unukoti district. Next, it is a proud moment for Tripura that the chemistry scholar from Tripura, Dr. Arijit Das' invention of 20 innovative methodologies and 40 formula in the field of chemistry has been included in the syllabus of US higher education by the government of United States of America. The article on innovative methodologies invented by Dr. Arijit Das, titled as Predicting the Hybridization State, a comparative study between conventional and innovative formula. Moreover, the article was enlisted in the online library Education Resource Informative Center, Department of Education, Government of USA. In addition, Dr. Arijit Das has achieved Research Excellence Award 2020 and Best Research Award 2020 due to his various research in the field of chemistry. Next, 50 Great Victory of Bangladesh was organized at the initiative of the Bangladesh Assistant High Commission in Agartala. The Speaker of Tripura Legislative Assembly, Rebhuti Mohan Das, was present as the chief guest on the occasion. Next, after a long gap of 25 years, the election for the Executive Committee of the Tripura Veterinary Doctors Association was held in democratic manner on 12 December. Dr. Anadi Shankar Bhattacharjee was elected as president and Dr. Sujit Shah and Dr. Chintu Debbarma were elected as the general secretary and treasurer respectively. Next, the famous scientist of the state, Kitish Chandra Majumdar, passed away. He was from Belunia. He also served as the professor of Fishery College. Renowned folk writer and Padma Shri awardee Beni Chandra Jamatia passed away. In this year, he got Padma Shri award from Tripura. Next, the prevalence of anemia was found to have increased in the state Tripura among children and adults in comparison to 2015-16 survey report to first phase of fifth report of National Family Health Survey released in this year. The report was made based on the survey conducted by the Indian Institute of Health Management Research. In case of Tripura, 64.03% children aged between 6 to 59 months have been found anemia in comparison to 48.03% in 2015-16 survey report. The Union Health Minister Dr. Harshvardhan released the 5th National Family Health Survey. The first phase of the report of 5th National Family Health Survey was conducted on 17 state and union territories named Tripura, Assam, Bihar, Manipur, Meghalaya, Sikkim, Andhra Pradesh, Andaman and Nicobar Island, Gujarat, Himachal Pradesh, Ladakh, Jammu and Kashmir, Karnataka, Goa, Telangana, Maharashtra, Mizoram, Kerala, West Bengal, Lakshadweep, Dadra and Nagar Haveli, and Daman and Diu. Next, the veteran political leader of the state from Congress Party, Chandra Mohan Vishwas, passed away. Next, the radio DXer of the state, Pradeep Chandra Kundu, get honor from India Book of Records for his achievement. Radio DXing promotes Radio Center program to all countries. Next, the Minister of Home Affairs has sanctioned 90.60 crore for acquisition of land by Land Post Authority of India for setting up of integrated checkpost at Shabroom on Indo-Bangla border. Next, on 15 December 2020, the state government has amended the Die-in-Harness scheme in providing help for family members of government employees. In new Die-in-Harness scheme, If any government employee dies up to 50 years of age, then one of the family members who is unemployed will be provided rupees 10 lakh. Earlier, it was 1 lakh if there are eligible candidates for the job but will not join, they can get rupees 10 lakh. Next, International Workshop on Advanced Seismology, Seismic Hazards and Earthquake Engineering Theory, Simulations and Observation ASSHEE 2020 has taken off at NIT Agartala campus. Dr. H.K. Sharma, Director of NIT Agartala and Chief Patron of ASSHEE 2020, Professor Harsh Kumar Gupta, a world-renowned seismologist and President of Geological Society of India, Dr. Ruben Tetubesen, were present in the seminar. Next, Drug Rehabilitation Center was inaugurated at Jompu Hill on 15 December. The center will start its service from New Year 2021. Next, at the first phase of fifth report of National Family Health Survey NFHS, it is said that people from rural areas of Tripura are more addicted to alcohol consumption if compared to urban areas of the state. 26.9% of the urban male consume alcohol in above the age of 15 years. Similarly, the percentage of rural male in same age group at 35.9%. The total average of rural and urban areas stands at 33.1%. The percentage of rural men using tobacco stands at 59.3%, whereas in urban areas it is in 51.6%, and the average of using of tobacco in rural and urban areas is 56.9%. In the case of the women in urban areas who are exposed to alcohol consumption is 0.8%, whereas among the rural women the percentage is 8.4%, and the average of both the figures stands at 6.2%. The urban women who are addicted to any kind of tobacco stands at 46.1%, and in rural areas is 52.2%, and the average of using tobacco by women in rural and urban areas is 50.4%. Next, Digital Sachchata Competition 2020 was organized by Agartala Municipal Corporation. The competition is attempt to encourage citizens of Agartala to join mission of Swachh Agartala by adopting behavioral change using social media through creative ideas. The theme of the competition is keeping the city clean, promoting door-to-door garbage collection, use of community and public toilet, proper hand wash, ban on throwing garbage on public places, and the next, ban on use of single use of plastic. 50th anniversary of Vijay Diwas with patriotic fervor in memory of supreme sacrifice of Indian soldier during the 1971 India-Pakistan War was organized at Lichu Bagan. The army and the Assam Rifles paid homage at Shahid Smarak in Albert Ekka Park at Lichu Bagan. Next, the Assembly Journalist First State Conference held at Agartala Press Club. The theme of the conference is Safe Freedom of Press, Safe Media, Democracy and Constitution. Next, the High Court of Tripura has cancelled the OBC reservation in 3/6 in Regional Institute of Medical Sciences for medical admission in Tripura. However, the court announced in favor of 10 reservation for financially weaker section at Agartala Government Medical College. Public Prosecutor Debalaya Bhattacharya, a division bench of Tripura High Court headed by Chief Justice Akhil Qureshi and Justice H.G. Chattopadhyay, passed the order. Next, on 17 December 2020, the center has allowed import of perishable fish items through Khwai and Monu Land Customs Station. Next, the election of 21 urban bodies of Tripura, including Agartala Municipal Corporation, have been deferred, and since election could not be held in time. In case of Agartala Municipal Corporation, District Magistrate of West Tripura would take charge as administrator. On the other hand, other municipal boards and Nagar Panchayat local SDMs would take charge the duty of administrator. Next, following the advice of the Union Ayush, Ayurveda, Yoga, Naturopathy, Unani, Siddha, Homeopathy Ministry, the State Directorate of Health Service, Tripura government has started distribution of a homeopathic drug Arsenicum album 30 to boost immunity of the people against coronavirus. Next, an amount of 573.99 crore has been sanctioned for 6 projects to be implemented in South Tripura. Among them, 118.47 crore has been estimated for creating a logistic hub at Sabroom, and the estimated cost for integrated checkpost is 97.60 crore. Besides, the multipurpose economic zone will be set up on a 16.35 hectare area at a total cost of rupees 60.57 crore. And a road infrastructure project 22 km National Highway 108 from Julaibari to Belonia at a cost of rupees 201.99 crore. Next, the government of Tripura has signed a loan agreement with the Asian Development Bank for development of urban areas and tourism sector in Tripura. The Resident Commissioner of Tripura, Sri Chaitanya Murthy, IFS, signed the loan negotiation documents of Project Readiness Finance (PRF) with Mr. Takeo Kanishi, Country Director, Asian Development Bank, in presence of Dr. C.S. Mohapatra, Additional Secretary, Department of Economic Affairs, Ministry of Finance. Under the loan agreement, Asian Development Bank shall provide 40 crores for engagement of project design and management consultants for urban and tourism sectors. 20 urban bodies in Tripura will be covered under this project. Once the projects are prepared, Asian Development Bank will provide 1,600 crores for development works in urban areas and 500 crores in tourism sector over next 3 years. Next, the Deputy Chief Minister of Tripura, Jishnu Debbarma, who is known for his all-round intellectually and passion for art and music, wrote a song Omo no Ane Imang, that means That Is My Dream, was officially released in Shukanto Academy. The song was later sung by local artists from Koloma. Next, Chorilam Higher Secondary School has been declared itself 100% free plastic-free school. Next, Chief Administrative cum Accountants Officer were appointed for 7 district court except Khwai. Krishna Das Chakraborty was appointed as Administrative of West Tripura District Court. On the other hand, Shankar Das in Gumuti District Court, Omio Shinku Das in Sipaijala District Court, Shubho Chakma in Unakoti District Court, Udayan Chakma in South Tripura District Court, Dhananjay Jamatia in Dholai District Court, and Sudhanshu Malakar in North Tripura District Court were appointed as administrative of the related district court. Such post was created in 2014 following the instruction of Sethi Commission. Earlier, the post was reserved only for West Tripura District Court. Later, it was expanded. Next, the reputed veterinarian of the state, Dr. Diptanu Das, found a way to get higher yield of a lower cost by feeding pigs mixed with unconventional rubber seeds powder instead of marketed food. He carried out research on the matter under supervision of Dr. A.K. Samanta of the Department of Animal Nutrition, College of Veterinary Sciences and Animal Husbandry, Mizoram. Next, at the first state conference of Forum for Development and Protection of Media Community, the Chief Minister of Tripura, Biplab Kumar Deb, on 20 December has announced that health insurance scheme for media people along with other facilities. The health insurance will cover under Ayushman Tripura scheme. The state government will bear the medical expenditure up to Rs 5 lakh. Moreover, the Chief Minister also announced to deliver 300 more press jackets to media personnel. The FDPMC conference turned out to be biggest ever conference organized by media body. Senior journalist Jayanta Bhattacharjee presided over the meeting. Apart from Chief Minister, Education Minister Ratanlal Nath, Senior Editor of Jagaran Patrika Piyush Biswas, Senior Editor of Northeast Colors Sanjit Dev, and other eminent journalists and representative of Hawkers Union were present in the meeting. Next, Tripura oldest film society, Cine Delve, has decided to postpone the annual film festival this year due to coronavirus pandemic. This year, Cine Delve will pay tribute to reputed late Bengali actor Soumitra Chatterjee, and 3 films in which Soumitra Chatterjee acted as main role will be shown, and these films are Joy Baba Phelunath, Shraboner Dara, and Obiyan and Atanka. Cine Delve had been formed in 1985 and it has been continuing its film festival since then without any interruption. And the present president of Cine Delve is Dulal Chakraborty. Next, the government of Tripura started a new scheme, Tripura Science and Mathematics Talent Search 2020, for the students of class 9. This new scheme has been introduced aiming to develop their craze for science and mathematics, targeting national talent search at all India level. The Tripura government would bear an expenditure of Rs 2.11 crore in 2020-21 and 2021-22 academic session, and such type of exam is open for all the students of class 9. Next, on 21st December, the central government has sanctioned 392 new mobile phone towers for Tripura to cover the remote corners of the state where network connectivity are very poor. Remote areas of Tripura such as Magrum, Korbuk, Silachari, Shuknaichori, Talchera and so on will be connected with mobile phone towers. And the Union Minister of Electronics Information Technology and Communication is Ravi Shankar Prasad. Next, Tripura Medical College at Hapania and Dr. B.R. Ambedkar Memorial Teaching Hospital has now started pediatric surgery at lower cost. This is the first hospital that started such surgical treatment. Next, the celebration of Tripura Era Tring held at Tuidu, Ampinagar, Gomuti, Tripura with the initiative of the Tuidu Tring Committee 1431. Local MLA Sindhu Chandra Jamatia of Ampinagar constituency inaugurated the program by lighting the candles. A large number of people from indigenous communities have taken participation in this colorful celebration, and a night-long cultural program was organized. In a historical point of view, the King celebration started since the monarchy period of the King Juja Rupa of Tripura, and since then 184 kings of Tripura monarchy system had celebrated this King celebration in Tripura. Next, the brilliant athlete of Tripura, Mithun Tripura, passed away. Next, an e-service center of Tripura High Court was launched at Agartala High Court on 23rd December. The center was inaugurated by the 47th Chief Justice of the Supreme Court of India, Sharad Arvind Bobde. Moreover, the Chief Justice of Tripura High Court, Akhil Qureshi, and other dignitaries were present in the event. Next, on 23rd December 2020, in the State Cabinet meeting, the State Government of Tripura announced a new scheme, Mukhyamantri Matri Pushti Upahar, to improve the nutritional support for pregnant women before their delivery. Under this new scheme, the special kit consisting of 250 grams of groundnut, 300 grams of roasted Bengal gram, 180 grams of soybean, 500 grams of mixed dal, 500 grams of jiggery, 200 ml of ghee, 200 grams of cashew nut, and 100 grams of raisins will be provided to pregnant women after 4 times of checkup. The Social Welfare and Social Education Department has taken all responsibilities of this scheme and collected 2 authorized state cooperative, namely Tripura Markfed and Aitorma Cooperative Department stores, for supplying special nutritional kit to pregnant mother throughout the state. Tripura Markfed is entrusted with supply of kits to meet the requirement of the first 3 months for January, February and March. It is to be noticeable that ICDS and Poshan Abhiyan have been the flagship programs of the state government for tackling malnutrition among children of 0 to 6 years of age and pregnant women. Next, on 23rd December 2020, the state government in a Council of Ministers decision has appointed senior lawyer Siddhartha Shankar De as the new Advocate General of the High Court of Tripura. Siddhartha Shankar De acted as legal advisor of Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council. He also served as a member of the Senior Standing Council, Guwahati High Court. Next, because of rising of a new strains of SARS-CoV-2 virus, the state government has taken decision to undergo mandatory RT-PCR test for all passengers of international flights and also for those who come through integrated checkpost from Bangladesh to Tripura. A new strain of virus SARS-CoV-2 has been found in United Kingdom. According to experts, the new strain of coronavirus is 70% more infectious than other strains of virus. In that context, the government of India suspended all flights from United Kingdom temporarily till 31st December 2020. Next, the Deputy Chief Minister of Tripura, Jishnu Devarma, through the press informed that areas such as Gondachora and Ambasha will be connected dedicated electric connectivity by the end of March 2021. The Northeast Council has sanctioned 12 crore for extending electricity connectivity in these areas. Next, the Deputy Chief Minister of Tripura, Jishnu Devarma, inaugurated agreement signing ceremony between Directorate of Biotechnology and ONGC Tripura asset for Bankurbari Biovillage project at TSPCB Conference Hall. Next, the reputed DIGs of Tripura Police, Arindam Nath and Anish Prasad, both of them IPS officer of 2003, have been promoted to higher post of Inspector General. Next, the newly constructed MBB airport emerged as the best equipped airport in the entire northeastern region after installation of all ultra-modern facilities for air services. In terms of areas, the newly constructed MBB airport will be 3 times larger than old Singarville airport. It is estimated that the new MBB airport will be inaugurated on 31st March 2021. Next, Milan Utsav 2020 was organized at Nazrul Kalakshetra on 24 December. The Utsav was organized by Tripura Contractors Association. In this Utsav, the Chief Minister of Tripura, Biplab Kumar Deb, was remained present as special guest. He also announced that an amount of rupees 30,000 crore will be spent in next 5 years on railways and national highways in Tripura. Next, according to fifth report of National Family Health Survey released by the Union Health Minister Harshvardhan, women sex ratio in Tripura has been improved. Women sex ratio, which was 998 women per 1000 men in the year 2015 to 16, but in recent time in 2019 to 20, the ratio has been improved to 1011 women per 1000 men. In the matter of electricity connectivity in 2015 to 16, electricity connectivity was available for 92.8% families, whereas the new figure has been improved to 98.2% family in 2019-20. Access to developed laboratory was available for 63.7% families in the year 2015-16, and now it stood at 73.7% families in 2019-20. Moreover, the facilities of drinking water has improved in Tripura. Next, as per decision taken from 6-member team, the state government of Tripura decided to provide government job to those families that are suffered due to political violence or attacks till 9th March 2018. Moreover, inquiry will also be done by the DM and SP level officers. A family can procure form from the SDM office if it has any such case. Next, a new Daily Bengali newspaper, Satyabhasan, launched by Atal Memorial Trust, was inaugurated by the Chief Minister of Tripura, Biplab Kumar Deb, at Sukanta Academy, and the editor of this newspaper is Nobendu Bhattacharjee. The Chief Minister was accompanied by the Deputy Chief Minister of Tripura, Jishnu Devarma, Vice Chancellor of Tripura Central University, Professor Ganga Prasad Prasen, Vice Chancellor of MBB University, Professor Dr. Satydev Poddar, MLA Ratan Chakraborty, Chairman of TRTC Deepak Majumdar, former Vice Chancellor of Tripura University Arunodoy Saha, and other reputed personalities were present at the launching ceremony of this newspaper. Next, on 25 December 2020, the Chief Minister of Tripura, Biplab Kumar Deb, inaugurated the Maharaja Bir Bikram Amenity Center shopping complex at NIT Agartala. This complex has been constituted by the state's Rural Development Department on an area of 3,112.30 square meters of NIT. Total cost of this construction is 769.73 lakh, and there are 73 stalls in this complex. Moreover, MP Pratima Bhumik, Director of NIT Agartala H.K. Sharma, and NIT Dean Ajay Chakraborty were present during inauguration program. Next, on the occasion of Golden Jubilee celebration of Tripura Statehood Day, Yuva Vikas Kendra and National Integrated Forum of Artists and Activists Tripura branch is going to organize Sadbhavana Yatra 2021 from 21st January to 13 March 2021, and it is organized to spread a message of peace, harmony, brotherhood, and voluntary blood donation, self-reliance, art and culture, and tourism. A total of 15 riders would cover 20,000 kilometers in 29 states and 5 union territories. The route map of this yatra would start from Agartala and end at the same place, covering 45 places. During the yatra, a total of 50,000 saplings will be planted in all states with sacred soil and water of Ma Tripureshwari. On the other hand, soil and water will be collected from different parts of the country. After completion of this yatra, a symbolic saplings will be planted in capital city Agartala with this soil and water as a memory of Sadbhavana Yatra 2021. Now let's discuss some fact about the Yuva Vikas Kendra and National Integrated Forum of Artists and Activists. Both the Yuva Vikas Kendra and National Integrated Forum of Artists and Activists is a leading youth organization of India as well as in Tripura. The Yuva Vikas Kendra is a Gandhian youth organization working in integrating the youths for brotherhood, patriotism, and tendering services for all-round development of the youth through various activities. National Integrated Forum of Artists and Activists is also a leading youth organization. The Gandhian Youth Camp Harmony 2018, International Cultural Festival, Paryavaran Mitra Yatra 2019, and Northeast Sadbhavana Yatra 2020 are some special programs conducted by Yuva Vikas Kendra and National Integrated Forum of Artists and Activists Tripura in collaboration. Next, as a part of exclusive Bharat Darshan tour package, Indian Railway Catering and Tourism Corporation Limited under the Ministry of Railways is going to conduct Sri Rampath Yatra from Agartala to various religious places related to Lord Rama. The special tourist train will start from Agartala on 23rd February 2021, and the train will visit various religious places with historical and religious importance related to Lord Rama like Varanasi, Ayodhya, and Prayagraj, Allahabad. Next, Tripura has been selected as the best performing state under the Northeastern and Hilly States category in implementation of Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana Urban. The Prime Minister of India, Narendra Modi, will felicitate the state this award. Minister of State in charge Housing and Urban Affairs, Hardeep Singh Puri, has given this information. The Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana Urban Awards 2019 have been broadly categorized in 3 levels and various categories. Further, Agartala Municipal Corporation backs Best Performing Municipal Corporation and Belonia Municipal Council got Best Performing Municipal Council. Next, at the 5th report of National Family Health Survey 2019-20, it is said that only 22.9% female population however used internet, in which 17.7% female population in rural areas and 36.6% of female population in urban areas use internet. On the other hand, 45.7% male population in Tripura use internet, in which 45.2% male population in rural areas and 47.0% male population in urban areas use internet. Next, according to 5th report of National Family Health Survey 2019-20, Tripura is holding a good position in the matter of literacy in the country. The literacy rate in the state for men is 88.2%, while the women literacy rate stands 80.6%. Total literacy rate in rural areas 76.9% and 89.9% in urban areas. Next, the government of Tripura has set target to make Tripura free of HIV/AIDS by 2030. In a 5th report of National Family Health Survey 2019-20, it is found that only 15.4% female have comprehensive knowledge on HIV/AIDS, in which 19.7% female in urban areas and 13.7% female in rural areas have knowledge on HIV/AIDS. Only 30% male have knowledge on HIV/AIDS, in which 40.6% in urban areas and 25.6% in rural areas have knowledge about HIV/AIDS. The statistic released by Tripura State AIDS Control Society on 1st December has shown that the total number of HIV/AIDS positive persons in Tripura from 1962 October 2020, 690 female and 1226 male. North District of Tripura holds highest record with 530 HIV/AIDS cases, while West Tripura is in second position with 397 cases. Moreover, Unukoti and Khwai are in third and fourth position in HIV/AIDS cases. 10 people who are from outside Tripura are infected by HIV virus. Next, according to 5th report of National Family Health Survey 2019-20, there was a sharp increase in infant and child mortality rate per 1000 births. However, there is increase in institutional delivery from 79.9% in 2015-16 to 89.2% in 2019-20. The neonatal mortality rate in 2015-16 was only 13.2%, and now it is increased to 22.9% in 2019-20. Similarly, the state recorded an increase in infant mortality rate from 26.7% in 2015-16 to 37.6% in 2019-20. The report also shows that under 5 mortality rate has also risen from 32.7% in 2015-16 to 43.3% in 2019-20. And the infant and child mortality rate is the number of deaths of children under 1 year of age per 1000 live births. Next, in the fifth report of National Family Health Survey 2019-20, it is shown that women who were married before 18 years had gone up from 33.1% in 2015-16 to 40.1% in 2019-20. The figure in the case of men who married before 21 years had also increased from 16.2% in 2015-16 to 20.4% in 2019-20. Next, on 27 December 2020, the book Megmakano Karo Kagoj has been published under Niharika publication in a program held in NBT Hall of Agartala. In this book, there are 100 poems written by 50 poets of Tripura. The book was edited by reputed poetess of the state, Choba Chaudhuri. In the program, reputed personalities like Justice of Tripura High Court, Subhashish Talapatra, the Controller and Chairman of TRBT, Pratyush Dev, and Deputy Secretary General of FICC, Manav Majumdar, were present. Next, on 28 December 2020, the Chief Minister of Tripura, Biplab Kumar Dev, inaugurated Atal Bridge on the Juri River on the Yuvrajnagar to Dewchhara route. Juri River is originated from Jampui Range and Dharmanagar is situated on the bank of River Juri. Next, the Agartala Smart City Limited initiated a development project named Howrah River Front Development Project HRFD and Horticulture Organic Farming based pilot project near Auto Stand Johor Bridge in north and south side of the Howrah embankment area. This project is taken to solve the troubles permanently for people residing along Howrah River bank area from flood. Next, this is the first time in Tripura 1.5-year-old kid from Khwai, Pushpita Pal, has undergone successful cochlear implant at GBP Hospital at free of cost. Pushpita was deaf since birth and she was also unable to speak due to her deafness. The Government of India supplied this device of worth 5.5 lakh free of cost. Dr. Amitabh Roy Chaudhuri came to GBP Hospital as a mentor for this operation. Next from obituary, the former Army Subedar Nipendra Chandra De, resident of Pamotia, passed away on 28 December 2020. He was awarded by the President of India for his bravery. He took part in 1965 Indo-China War and 1971 Indo-Pak War. He was also an efficient football player. Next, the State Cabinet has decided to waive stamp duty on loans up to 5 lakh from banks for various government-sponsored projects such as Kisan Credit Card, PM Kisan, Self-Help Group, Prime Minister Employment Generation Program, Swavalambon, Prime Minister Street Vendor Self-Reliance Fund, Prime Minister Housing Scheme, Chief Minister B.Ed Inspiration. The decision was taken with the aim of building a self-reliant Tripura, and the state government is going to lose about 60.90 lakh in a year. Next, in a state cabinet meeting, it has been decided to add a new amendment to a new appointment policy in government offices. According to new amendment in new appointment policy, from now, the job seeker would require to have knowledge in Bengali or Kokborok language as well as the required qualification. Next, the state government of Tripura has decided to introduce drum seeder machine in subsidized prices for the farmers of Tripura. This initiative was taken in order to reach the goal of doubling the income of farmers and also to cut short initial investment to the farmers. This machine helps farmers to sow greater stretch of land in limited time, enabling the farmer to fetch less time consuming results. The state government of Tripura has granted subsidy of Rs 4,000 for each of the 50 drum seeders that will be introduced in various parts of Tripura within this year. First, this machine is being introduced in Bagaba Agri subdivision. Next, Tripura got 30 medals along with 3 gold medals in 32 Eastern Junior Athletics competition held in Guwahati. From Tripura, Pratima Sarkar, Sushmita Debbarma and Poliromi Malik won gold medals. Next, the state level tri-monthly fourth stage of active case has been started from 18 December to eradicate TB disease. This TB control program will continue up to 31st December 2020. Under this program, count of suspected persons will be collected from door to door. In the campaign, medical staff and ASHA workers will interact with local people in TB disease prone areas of every district. Next, it was informed by the State Health and Family Welfare Department under the aegis of Khowai District Health Office. 2 primary health centers were awarded for their commendable role play in Kayakalp program on 18 December 2020 at the Khowai District Magistrate Office. The awarded health centers were Hemanto Debbarma Memorial Primary Health Center and Dasarath Debbarma Memorial Primary Health Center. The District Magistrate of Khowai, Smita Mall, handed over the awards to Dr. Aichuk Debbarma and Rajkiran Debbarma. Next, the Chief Minister of Tripura, Biplab Kumar Deb, held a meeting at the 133 State Level Bankers Committee. In this meeting, Chief Minister urged all the banks of the state to come forward to make the people associated with all these primary sectors economically self-sufficient. Next, Krishi Vigyan Kendra Central Agricultural University Impal, Sipahijola organized Swachhata Pakhwara from 16 December to 31st December at Krishi Vigyan Kendra, Palpara, Office Tila, Bishalgarh. The Vice Chairperson of Bishalgarh Panchayat Samiti, Arun Chandra Das, inaugurated the program and Madhav Majumdar, a reputed teacher of Madhupur Higher Secondary School, was guest of honor of this program. The dignitaries released a booklet on Swachhata Hi Seva. Next, the Tripura Chess Boxing Association on 30 December organized an awareness kickboxing and chess competition at Udaipur city-based Shishu Uddayan with the message of Fitness Ka Dose, Adha Ghanta Roz as part of the Fit India program to keep the body healthy in response to the call of Union Sports Minister Kiren Rijiju. Omit Puttar, Secretary of Tripura Chess Boxing Association, was present on the occasion. Next, on 31st December, the Deputy Chief Minister of Tripura, Jishnu Debbarma, launched official website of the Social Audit Department. Next, the Police Accountability Commission in Tripura recommended certain measures to enhance police accountability across the state based on the reports and findings of the Commission Annual Report 2019. Certain initiatives have been taken up by the Commission to improve the services of police across the state. They are: first one is, from now, verbal FIR along with other FIR must be recorded and action should be taken immediately after lodging FIR. Police need to frame time limits for delivery of various types of services to the public and to ensure the services are delivered to the people in a time-bound manner. Police need to devise an effective public grievance redressal mechanism. Internet facilities may be provided to each police station to facilitate the works in an easy manner. The appropriate authority should impart proper training to the police personnel to make them people-friendly, conduct them to obey the law strictly. Next, taking inspiration from Prime Minister Narendra Modi's vision of doubling farmers' income by 2020, the state government has initiated a paradigm shift in agriculture policy. Now, more priority will be given to maize and muskali cultivation. Maize will be cultivated in 28,000 hectares of land and muskali will be cultivated in 22,000 hectares of land. Moreover, the state government has planned to bring 50,000 hectare paddy lands under cash crops cultivations within 3 years up to 2022 to 2023. Next, the famous educationist of the state and retired Joint Director of Department of Information and Culture of the state, Hiralal Chaudhuri, passed away. Finally, we have come to the end of the video. If you want PDF of this video, please go to my site www.studyforcompetitive.weebly.com, and this site's link is also given in this video's description. So you can also download the PDF just clicking on the link. So like my video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.